How to draw a mandala in Autodesk Sketchbook? Let's go. Most of y'all don't know, but English is my second language, so for some reason I thought it was pronounced Mandala. Yeah, words are hard. Today we will be using the pen brush. Once you adjust the size that you'd like, select the symmetry tool and make sure you have radial selected. I went ahead and turned it up to 16 sections. Then select a straight ruler. This step isn't necessary, but I wanted to make a bit of a drawing guide so I know where the centers of the sections are. After drawing the line, go ahead and reduce the opacity and add in a new layer. While having the symmetry tool on, select the squiggly line, also known as the predictive stroke, and set it to max. Feel free to look at different mandala examples to see the different patterns that are drawn. You can also use the circle ruler to make the perfect circle. Since each mandala is different, I'm going to speed along through this part. For the gradient, we will be using the paintbrush, and in a separate layer, I'm painting over the mandala with different colors. Using the blender tool, I'm lightly blending the rough color transitions. Now go ahead and select the color layer, click on blending mode, and lighten. Although clipping mask is unavailable on this app, this is a great alternative. If you want a dark background, add in a new layer and click on Bucket Tool. Make sure you are in Sample All Layers so your icon should look like this. This part is a bit tedious, but we have to select the white background separately. And we're done. Let me know in the comments what I should draw next. Thanks for watching.